guys, it's Vicky, and welcome back to another holiday tutorial. Today we're going to be making a snowflake cuff. This is going to be a pretty big cuff. You're going to need 261 blue and 114 white, and probably a total of 15 feet of string. For my string, I'm using this 1mm white elastic cord. This is a multi-stitch cuff, so I'm going to start by getting a long piece of string. Personally, I'm starting with 5 feet. There's a tutorial on how to add more string. You could also use a bigger piece of string than me. Now I'm going to make a 30 bead long blue single. Now that I have 30 beads on the string, I'm just going to slide all the beads to one end and then have the other end be really long and tie this off in a triple knot and tug on the ends to tighten it and then cut off only the short end. So we'll start by adding a blue bead and then placing the string through the second bead over from where the string is coming out, and then pull that through, add another blue bead, and put the string through the second blue bead over. Now add a white bead, and place the string through the second bead over. Then another blue bead, place the string through the second bead over. Then a white bead, place the string through the second bead over. Every few beads, tug gently on the string to tighten it. Now add 4 blue beads. Then 1 white, 1 blue, and 1 white. Next will be 3 blue beads. Then place the string through the next bead that's sticking up. This way we can move on to the next row. So now let's add 1 blue bead, place the string through the next blue that's sticking up. Add another blue bead and place the string through the next white bead that's sticking up. Then a white bead, and place the string through the next blue bead that's sticking up. Then another white bead, and place the string through the next white that's sticking up. Then 5 blue beads. Then 2 white beads. Then 4 blue beads. Then place the string through the next blue bead that's popped up. Next, we'll add 2 blue, then 1 white, then 6 blue, then 1 white, then 5 blue, then place the string through the next blue that's sticking up, and it should look like this. Next, we'll add 4 blue, then 1 white, 1 blue, 1 white, then 4 blue, 1 white, 2 blue, then 1 white, then place the string through the next blue bead that's sticking up. Next, add 1 blue, then 1 white, then 6 blue, then 1 white, then 6 blue, then place the string through the next blue that's sticking up. Then add 4 white beads. Then 1 blue. Then 6 white. Then 2 blue. And 2 white. Now I'm going to add more string because mine is getting pretty short. There is a tutorial on how to add the string in the description. Now I'll place my string through the next white bead that's sticking up and add 1 white bead, then 1 blue, then 4 white, then 1 blue, 1 white, 1 blue, then 2 white, then 1 blue, then 2 white, and then 1 blue. Then I'll place the string through this next white bead that's sticking up. And so far, it looks like this. Add 1 blue, then 1 white, then 3 blue, then 1 white, 2 blue, 1 white, then 4 blue, 1 white, and 1 blue. Then place the string through the next blue bead that's sticking up. Add 2 white beads, then 2 blue, then 2 white, then 5 white, then 3 blue, then 3 white. Then place the string through the next white bead that's sticking up. And now it looks like this. Then add 5 blue. Then 2 white. Then 6 blue. Then 2 white. Then place the string through the next blue bead that's sticking up. Then add 5 blue beads. Then 1 white. Then 7 blue. Then 1 white, 1 more blue, and then place the string through the next blue bead that's popped out. And now each snowflake is halfway done. Now add 4 blue, then 2 white, 6 blue, 2 white, 1 blue. Put the string through the next blue that's popped out. Now add 2 blue, then 5 white. Then 3 blue, then 5 white, then place your string through the next blue bead that's popped up. Now add 2 blue, then 1 white, then 2 blue, 1 white, then 4 blue, 1 white, 2 blue, 1 white, then 1 blue. Then place your string through the next blue bead that's popped up. Next, add 2 white, then 1 blue, then 1 white, 1 blue, 2 white, 1 blue, 2 white, 1 blue, 1 white, 1 blue, 2 white. Place the string through the next white bead that's sticking up. Next, add 6 white beads. Then 2 blue, 6 white, then place the string through the next white that's popped out. We've made a lot of progress so far. Now add 2 blue, then 1 white, then 7 blue, one white, 4 blue, then place the string through the next blue that's popped up, add 4 blue, 1 white, 2 blue, 1 white, 4 blue, 1 white, 1 blue, and 1 white. Place the string through the next blue that's popped up. Add 1 blue, then 1 white, then 7 blue, 1 white, 5 blue, then place the string through the next blue bead that's popped up. And we're almost done. Then add 2 white, then 6 blue, then 2 white, then 5 blue, then place the string through the next white that's popped out. Add 1 blue bead, then 1 white, then 5 blue, then white, blue, white, then 4 blue, 1 white. So now our snowflakes are done. We just need to finish off this cuff with 2 more rows of all blue. Now the cuff is complete and we just need to tie it off. So here you can see that my string is coming out between these 2 beads. I'm going to slip the string underneath the string that's connecting those 2 beads. Like this. Holding the loop in one hand and the end of the string in the other, I'm just going to tie a double knot. And tug on the ends to make sure it's nice and tight. And then cut off the ends. This is a really big cuff, but it looks adorable. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit me up on my social media if you want to show me your candy creations. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more tutorials. And until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.